Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Florliza vlog. Please subscribe, like, share, and press the notification bell para update kayo sa aking bagong upload. Guys, we are here in a small park here in Red Hill. We're going to the warehouse. Bago kami pupunta guys, ito, magbibideo muna ako kasi wala na ako may upload pa guys kasi busy for the Chinese New Year. It's Chinese New Year here in Singapore. Everybody is busy because Chinese New Year here in Singapore is one of the very important festive here in Singapore. So everybody's busy, everybody's cleaning the house, everybody is do the work. God, guys, is very hectic schedule this time. So it's 2 weeks more before the Chinese New Year. So I think we don't have much time to go for shopping and errand some foods, some everything. So before I go to work, I'm here again guys to take some videos, and after that I'm going for a quick shopping, and hope I can buy something there. I hope I can have something that I like because I want to buy one shoes. So hope I can get what I like in there. So thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for always watch my video, and thank you for support my channel. Thank you very much for all the viewers there, for all shout out sa inyong lahat guys. So sana hindi kayo magsasawa na mag-subscribe sa akin, mag-watch ng aking videos, at para naman kayo manood. Thank you. Kasi ang mga videos ko guys is a simple videos. Small vlogger lang naman guys. So thank you so much. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Shout out sa lahat ng mga kaibigan dyan na nag-YouTube. Shout out sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng mga team. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Ay guys, nag-ano lang ako. Titik lang ako ng mga outing video para meron ako may upload kasi 1 week na hindi na ako nag-upload. So kailangan ko guys na mag-upload. So may nadaanan ako na small park. So sabi ko why not taking a photo while I'm going to the shop. So this is it. We are here in a small park. I don't know which park is this, but you know, somewhere around. So I think it's a jogging area also here guys, but I think it's quite exciting, but I'm not go farther. I think it's too late already. I don't have much time to go inside, but like next time. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you. So ayan, ang ganda yata niya sa loob, pero wala na ako guys. Magtitig lang ako sa video para meron ako may upload sa ating YouTube channel. So thank you very much sa inyong lahat, and God bless. See you next vlog, and please do subscribe and press